So let's start with Mr. Waytarsa Hindarto. So, sir, IMO has been the #1 eye care brand in the Philippines, and it's been for decades now. With the launch of IMO Cool Red Eyes, how do you see this innovation strengthening your leadership and driving growth in the cooling eye drop segment?
Right. Thank you for the question. So, as you mentioned, IMO has been here in the Philippines for the longest time. I think we've been here for 80 years. And we are entrusted by Filipinos to be market leader. So that comes with a responsibility as well. We want to grow the category in the Philippines, and more importantly, we want to innovate to come with a better solution, I think, for our consumers. And if we look at the consumer information, we understand that there's a growing demand, especially for the cooling segment. And that's very well fitted with the fast-paced life that our, especially Gen Z, like us, to be able, I think, to keep up with the daily demands. I think we want to come with something that make IMO stay relevant, especially among the younger generations. So, consumer demands, and then secondly, we also think, and we believe from our learning from other markets, the cool segment is something new and coming, up and coming for the segment in eyebrow category that will help to spur further the growth of eyebrow in the Philippines.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hendarto. You know, that just shows how the commitment of IMO to delivering efficiency and give Filipinos a refreshing experience. So thank you so much for that. Now let's move on with Mr. Earl Hayona for the campaign angle.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How does the refresh and recharge with #cool ng IMO campaign to connect with millennials and Gen Z and make IMO Cool Red Eyes part of their daily routine? And why is the campaign relevant to millennials and Gen Zs?
Thank you for that question. Yeah, Mirna is a beauty queen, so it's weird that a beauty queen asks you a question.
Sir, you have 45 seconds
I
to
know.
answer.
Start now. All right, so this really is an innovation, and the cooling sensation is something that we want to reach to the Gen Zs and the millennials, because for 80 years we've been talking with people already for the ages 40 years old and above, and they know the brand by heart. Now, the people 40 years old and below, most of them belong to our generation, and most of them are not really into taking care of their eyes. So that's the reason why IMO, Combifar, and of course, with partnership with DCHO Liga and IMS Asia Philippines, we want to have this product to be available and accessible to the youth. Now, why? Because we want to evolve. No? Basically, we want to be relevant, and being relevant means that you keep on producing products that is going to be used by all the target consumers. And at the same time, we think with our very warm climate, IMO Cool is really one of the innovative products today.
Thank you so much, Mr. Earl.
Is my answer?
10 over 10.
Okay.
Yes. Ikaw ang reigning queen
Yeah,
ngayon.
Q&A.
dito.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. But you know, honestly, feeling ko after this event, IMO Cool Red Eyes will definitely be part of my essentials. Grabe.
That's our main objective, for all the millennials and the Gen Zs who are actively and hardworking people, have their little bottle on their pockets or in their Kikai kits or on their bags as part of their daily essentials.
Just like Dustin Yu over here. Grabe nilabas niya kanina. So, speaking of Dustin, I also have a question for you. As someone who is always on the go, how does IMO Cool Red Eyes so fit into your daily routine, and what do you personally love most about its cooling and refreshing effect?
Well, for me personally talaga, every since pumasok ako sa showbiz, college ako, nag-study ako, ito content, like many Gen Zs do, of course. Sensitive talaga yung eyes ko when it comes to like lights, sun, heat. So talagang mahilig kasi ako mag-explore. So nag-try ng glasses. But for me, na-realize ko na kailangan pala yung mata ko laging moisturize. Kailangan pala may care din, di ba?
Skincare, lahat meron tayo.
So,
Hair care.
na parang yung eye care din pala, importante. So ever since, every day, dala-dala ko na siya sa bag ko. Dala-dala ko na siya sa pocket ko. Yung makeup artist ko, alam niya na lagi akong humihingi sa kanya ng eye drops. Kasi talagang, for me, ibang klase pag fresh yung eyes mo eh. Mas relaxed ka, mas ready ka to meet people, to talk, mas confident ka, kasi mas clear yung eyes mo eh. Pag irritated kasi, for me, parang ano siya stressful.
Yes,
Diba?
parang hindi ka pa nagsisimula sa araw mo, pero pagod ka na.
Pagod ka na.
Right?
Exactly. So, yun, ever since. Tapos, yun na nilaunch yung Imo Cool Eye Drop. Yun, sabi ko, wow, may cooling effect. So, to answer your question, yun yung favorite ko, yung cooling effect. Kasi nakaka-refresh at nakaka-recharge talaga siya.
Yes. Thank you so much, Dustin.